my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. Oh my god, it's been a hot minute. For you guys, it's only been a couple of days maybe, I don't know. I've been pre-recording these videos, so if you didn't see my last video, I opened up the Buttercup Delilah Rainbow High Doll. I'm super excited. I'm staring at my knife because I forgot to leave it with the cap on. I also have Danny the cat in the front row. He wants to be a part of these videos. I keep shooing him away. He keeps coming back, so it is what it is. But I have a stack of it. I still have a stack of dolls and things that I discovered while packing up my house. I kind of am a hoarder in that I am a, what is it called? What is it called? I don't remember, but I have been hiding my hoard from myself. I know that some of this stuff is from February, and then I don't know when the rest of it is, but I have a lot of things to unbox for you guys. This is the second video. I don't know if I'm going to mismatch them or just do them all in order, but this is the second video. I'm probably going to do them all in order because that's how I am. And I wanted to show you this doll. I found a discount doll at DD's Discounts. I'm really happy. I really like her. The doll itself is a Dollar Tree doll. Not the best looking doll. She has the weirdest sculpt. But I imagine if I gave her a face up, like repaint her face and did some really cool stuff, she would look great. Her original price is $15, but her discount price is $7.99. Normally I wouldn't spend more than like $5 on a discount doll, mainly because they're just not the most, they're like usually very cheaply plastic. But I liked her because she came with all these kitty stuff, and I really love kitty stuff. I recently have a cat. His name is Danny. I bought him when I got laid off the first time this year, or last year. I got laid off last year. And he became my depression kitty because I got really depressed, started watching cat videos, then started watching rescues. And then I ended up with Danny the cat, who I was only going to hold on to for a day, but he had such a sweet personality, I had to keep him. So if he had a different personality, I would have gave him back to his foster, but he ended up having the sweetest personality. He's the neediest cat. He always wants hugs and cuddles. He's just the sweetest thing. I absolutely love him. I'm gonna poke your butt. I'm gonna poke your butt. I'm a little bit worried how he's going to, because I recently lost my job. I was doing some, what is it called? Americans with Disabilities Act paperwork that the company forced me to do. They had me fill out this paperwork and then let me go. It was weird. I was actually in the process of still filling out that paperwork. My doctor was a little bit slow finishing it up. She promised me one day and then never really gave it to me, and then they let me go. Because of financial means, I'm moving in with my dad, and yeah, I'm worried my cat might not like it because my dad has 4 dogs. I have 2 dogs and a hamster and a cat. Gonna be, at least he has a nice house. It's not a big house, but it's a nice house. It's a nice mediocre house. Again, I'm going back to the doll. The doll is great. She has clicky plastic sounds. She has the really cheap look. Oh, interesting. I didn't know I thought she was flat-footed. But really, I didn't really care about the doll. The outfit I wanted to keep. So, I'm going to keep this. I'm going to donate her to a charity or some sort. Or give her to a friend. I know I'm giving away a naked doll, but that's one thing I didn't like. I thought this was going to be 2 pieces, a skirt and a shirt. I'm a little sad it's not, but I'm not too surprised that it's one full thing. That's fine. It's super cute anyway. Still feels kind of cheap, especially the skirt feels like the really cheap plastic drop cloths kind of feel. Ugh. But I like it anyway. I'm going to be very picky about clothes and dolls because I like good dolls, good average. Well, I don't buy like the really expensive dolls. I do buy the average dolls, and so I do like the average quality that you can get with some dolls. But what I really wanted when I bought this wasn't even the kitty cat. I wanted the kitty cat gear. I really wanted this gear. I wanted the little towel. I wanted the little bowl. And the little toy string. Comes with a little bottle, a little string, and a little brush. I really wanted these items. Don't know why. I was at Dee Dee's and I just saw this and I thought it was cute. I like the little outfit. So I love the teal and the pink. I think that's very beautiful. I'm definitely going to put it on a different doll. Maybe it'll fit a Made to Move. I don't know. My Made to Moves are semi-packed up already. But I will pull them out. Not for this video, but I'll pull them out later and see if it fits. But I'm really happy. These are the things that I wanted. The doll I didn't, but these are the things I wanted. Do you ever buy a doll and not even care about the doll itself? Do you just buy the package because you want the things that come with the doll, like the accessories? I do. I'm really bad at that. I'm just like, yeah, I could have eBay this. This wouldn't be too bad. I'm bad. I'm a really bad person. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you also do what I do with the accessories, tell me down below in the comments. I'd really like to know that I'm not the only one as I die slowly from embarrassment. And if this is your first video and you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye.